So, hello everyone, my name is Ryan Zagal from class 9.3 and attendance is 29. Today I want to do an assignment about explain about all materials from grade 7 until 9th grade. So in the 7th grade I learned about skeletal system. The skeletal system is the body's internal framework made up of bones and connective tissues that supports, protects, and holds the body's organs and tissues together. An adult has 206 bones. At birth, we have around 270 which have fused together as we grow. Main functions: first is support and shape, give the body its form and hold its body weight. Second, protection, shield fetal organs. The skull protects the brain, the ribcage protect the heart and lungs. Third is movement, provides attachment points for muscle, working together to enable motion, blood cell production, bone marrow, and makes red blood cells with white blood cells and platelets. Fifth is storage, stores minerals such as calcium and phosphorus. Main division of the skeletal system is: first is axial skeleton. It has 80 bones and forms the central axis of the body: skull, vertebral column, sternum, and ribcage. Second is appendicular skeleton. It has 126 bones and include the limbs and supporting girdles, including upper limb bones, arms, hams, and also lower limb bones, legs, and feet. Pectoral or shoulder, girdle and pelvic girdle. Other key components is joints, point where bones meet, allowing movements. Cartilage, soft tissue that cover ends to the prevent friction. Ligaments, tissue that connect bone to the bone. Tendons, tissues that connect muscle to the bone. So next to 8th grade, I learned about vibration. So in vibration is a back and motion of an object around its equilibrium point. Every vibrating object has three main characteristics: period, frequency, and amplitude. The period is the time needed for one complete vibration, while frequency is the number of vibrations per second. Amplitude is the maximum distance from the equilibrium point. Example of vibration can be seen in a swinging pendulum, equator string, and vibrating spring. Vibration is the basic cause of wave and sound. And the next is wave. Wave is a disturbance that transfers energy from one place to another without transferring the medium itself. Waves are divided into two types based on the direction of vibration: transverse waves and longitudinal waves. In a transverse wave, the vibration is perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation, like in water waves and also light waves. In a longitudinal wave, the vibration is parallel to the direction of propagation, like in sound wave. Waves also have properties such as wavelength, speed, and frequency, which are related by the formula like lambda divided by times of f dollars. And the next is sound. Sound is a type of longitudinal mechanical wave that needs a medium to travel. It cannot travel in a vacuum. Sound when an object vibrates and causes so the air particles around it to vibrate too. The human car can hear sounds with a frequency between 20 Hz and 20,000 of Hz, and sound below 20 Hz are called infrasound, and sound above 20,000 Hz are called ultrasound. bats and dolphins use ultrasound to find fault and negative and navigate. Next is class 9 or 9th grade. In 9th grade, I learned about food addictive and additive substance. Food additives are substances added to food to improve taste, color, texture, and shelf life. Examples are preservative, sweeteners, and food coloring. However, if used excessively, additives can be harmful to health. Besides that, there are additive substances like cigarettes, alcohol, and drugs. These substances can be damage to the brain, heart, and lungs. This is why we must read food labels and avoid dangerous additive substance. Biotechnology is the use of living organisms to produce useful products for humans. There are two types: conventional and modern biotechnology. Conventional biotechnology has been used for a long time, such as making tempe, yogurt, bread, and cheese, using bacteria and fungi. Modern biotechnology uses advanced technology like genetic engineering. Examples are producing insulin for diabetes patients, creating GMO crops that are resistant to pests, and making vaccine. Biotechnology has a lot in food, health, and agriculture. For example, the three is environmental pollution and global warming. Environmental pollution happens when harmful substances enter air, water, and soil. The main causes are factory smoke, vehicle exhaust, plastic waste, and household garbage. One peak of pollution is global warming. Global warming is caused by greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane that trap heat in the atmosphere. As a result, the Earth's temperature rises, ice melts, and sea levels increase. This affects weather, animals, and human life. So, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.